Cabinetry is an integral part of interior design. They truly reflect form and function. This spec home is now on the market in South Florida and features something unique: custom-built cabinets. The cabinet builder is Harold Morantz, owner and president of Morantz Custom Cabinetry in Lauderdale Lakes, Florida.
All of our cabinetry on this kitchen, all of the grains are all matching. They're all a wood grain laminate. The drawers open up full extension. They are also soft closing. A fridge and freezer where the patterns match. It's electronic, so there's no need for handles. Corner cabinets are designed with Lazy Susans. Everything is easy to reach. The upper cabinets are all done, these are all done in a gray lacquer. And these doors, again, there's no handle. It opens from the bottom with a full aluminum pull where it's easy to reach. Interior shelves are all adjustable. It also closes softly. No slamming, no breaking, kitchens last longer. We also have integrated lighting, LED lighting. There is no heat with the old, as opposed to the old halogen lighting. The island has cabinetry that's available on both sides. We have a built-in microwave drawer, sink cabinet, has doors. We also offer double garbage pullouts for waste products and also to be able to do recycling, so that everything gives you efficient use of your kitchen.
Because these cabinets represent just one of many styles that can be built by Morantz Custom Cabinetry, a visit to the workshop reveals how custom cabinets are limited only to the imagination. Here at Morantz Custom Cabinetry, cabinets are constructed to exacting specs, with the idea of fitting like a glove.
At Morantz, we deal with individual clients who call us for quotes. We also work with designers, your designer or other designers that you may pick. We also work with contractors and builders to build custom cabinetry.
Times have changed, and so has the selection of materials used in cabinet building.
There are infinite options available: wood veneer, solid wood, all kinds of different products. Go from very, very glossy acrylics, which are very, very, very shiny. We also use a lot of this, which is a super satin, which looks almost like a painted surface, but it is still a laminate, so it's indestructible. The third type of product that, again, we used in this kitchen is textured wood grains, again, in a laminate, so it looks really like a real wood product at a lower cost and at an actual better wearability than real wood is. The other option that we also offer is painted shakers, which can be done in any color. This one is an off-white that will not open up or crack and is literally indestructible.
The cabinets are designed, built, and installed, all to custom specifications. But that's not the end of the story.
Inevitably it happens. A kitchen is no different than a car. Something can go wrong. We are there 100% guaranteed to follow up on all service calls with courtesy. We come with vacuums, we come clean up after ourselves, and everything is handled efficiently and effectively. And that can be seen in our reviews on houzz.com. Houzz is one of the premier websites for design in America today. We have won Best of Houzz from 2013 every year up until 2019. We have 81 happy reviews from customers, both clients, designers, and builders, and they have also remarked in the reviews how happy they are with our product and with our service.
From Miami to Delray Beach, contact Morantz Custom Cabinetry for your custom cabinet project at morantzcabinets.com. And for additional information on this segment, visit us at designingspaces.tv.